2018 Chevy 1500. Customer says the transmission isn't shifting right. Delayed shifts, slipping between gears, and inconsistent engagement under load. First step, drop the transmission pan. When the clutches overheat, they shed material. Once that happens, the transmission can't apply pressure correctly, and shifting goes downhill fast. That tells us the internal clutches are failing. This isn't a sensor issue. This is mechanical damage. Fluid is burnt, dark, and there's clutch material sitting in the bottom of the pan. At this point, the fix is either a full rebuild or a replacement transmission, whichever makes the most sense cost-wise. Burnt fluid never lies. Follow video service information for more real-world transmission failures.
Grease Tech here. Hit like and follow video service information for more breakdowns and mechanical carnage.